Now I am going to explain you about the coup, right? So it is why I am explaining you today is it is very important. So we are all learning digital marketing, right? So our motto is end of the day to get lot of visibility or branding to our product or services, right? So I have been exploring many new apps after this corona COVID-19. So there are many new apps are coming, especially in India, right? So I'm just exploring all the apps, and I found this coup is very interesting and very useful, right? So end of the day, we need visibility and marketing for our product and services, right? So for 5 minutes, I will explain about coup, and again we will go back to our normal classes, right? So this is the logo of coup. The coup is the name of the app, social media app, a Pakka Indian app, right? So it is alternative of Twitter. You know the Twitter, right? Twitter is a blue color bird with wings, flying bird, right? So it is a coup logo. 1 minute. So this is the Pakka Indian app, and I don't know whether it is available for Muscat people. Just check in your um, uh, Play Store, right? If it is available, you can download and you can explore. So it was launched in March 2020, right? So when this COVID started, right? So and it won the challenge in the in the social networking category in Atmanirbhar Bharat. Okay, innovative challenge. It was announced by our Prime Minister, and this app won that challenge, right? So it was built by two people, two entrepreneurs, uh, Aprameya Radhakrishna and Mayank Bidwatka, right? So these two people, this is the photograph of these two people. They are quite handsome, I agree. Okay, and this is the logo of Coup, and when it was launched, it was available in only four languages, right? So Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and Kannada when it was launched, right? So now it is available in many languages, including English, right? So when I launched first time last Friday, it was showing that English is not available, right? So now the latest within the span of 1 week, now it is available even in English also, right? So see, so it is the settings thing. So people who can understand Telugu, they can able to read this one. English Kumar, and it means English is also available. You can change it to English, right? So when I clicked on that, so see, switch to English. So we can switch to English and many other languages, right? So 1 minute. So this from your Play Store, you can, when you type coup, you can find, you can able to find this one and open, install and open. Then these are all the languages available in coup, right? Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Bengali, Gujarati, Malayalam, and so many languages. At that time, Ku is not available in English, right? But the latest thing is update is it is also available in English, right? So when you enter your phone number, you will get the OTP, and you need to upload your profile, and immediately it will give the top 50 people to follow, right? It will show the top. It is in Telugu. Maybe you may not be able to understand. It is showing the top 50 people you can follow, right? So when you click on that, you will automatically you are following top 50 people, right? And then your first post, right? When you it is my mother tongue Telugu, so I try to post my first coup. It is like in Twitter, we will say tweet, your tweet, first tweet, second tweet, right? Like that. In coup, we will say the first coup, right? Like that, right? So na modati kulo santosham, right? So I said that this is my first coup and I'm happy karke, right? Just one pic, just sample. It's just I'm trying testing how coup works, right? So it was showing that this is my first coup. So it said that it will be shown to the few of the coup users that I started my coup karke, right? So then immediately I gained someone joined Geeta into Geeta. Is that you?
Yeah, yes, Jyoti. My laptop has got some problem.
Okay.
Hello.
Close the video, Geeta. It will be live on YouTube. Your wish.
Jyoti, Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so immediately I gained 6 followers, right? So already it was showing 51. I'm following 51 people, and I gained 6 followers. It was on last Thursday. Okay, today is Thursday. It was on last Thursday, right? And then this is the thing. Upper you can see that your profile has been seen by 3 people, right? Already 6 people are following me, and 3 people have already visited my profile, means my profile picture and my social media pages and everything, right? And then that's what it was saying. Out of 6 people, 3 people has seen your profile, right? So now then what you should do is open the settings, profile settings, and try to fill all the columns, right? This is the name, and the username in the like Twitter you will be having some username, right? So like that in Go also there should be some username, okay? And your profession, so enter your profession. I have entered freelancing digital market, right? And your present place, right? So automatically it will take Hyderabad and Kukkulpalli, right? So and then your native place also you need to enter, and your biodata. Try to fill all the columns, right? And then it will says that it will nearby Ku followers, it will be shown to the nearby Ku followers, right? So and then before while entering all these things I gained 18 followers, total 18 followers, right? And then I have entered my website address. We can enter only one website, so I didn't enter that onlinemarkets.in. I entered the Hyderabad.in, and my Twitter link, and then LinkedIn link, and YouTube link, and one more link also we can enter, that is Facebook link. I didn't enter that one. Tomorrow I will, or today I will enter my Facebook page link also, right? By the time I gained 31 followers. Okay, and here you can see how many people has watched our seen our profile, right? And then see, after some time when you see, it is showing 54 followers. Okay, my next post, and then 60 followers, and then 86 followers, and then 119 followers, and see how it is growing, and 17 people are seeing my profile, right? And then 141 followers, right? And then 192 followers, and 218 followers, and 233 followers, right? So and 300 followers. And I have posted only 10 posts till now. From last Thursday to this Thursday, I have posted only 10 tweets, 10 coups. Okay, sorry, I should not say tweets. Okay, and then 425 followers. Now it is 427 followers, right? So who satisfies the need of local apps? Okay, so end of the day, that's what I'm saying. End of the day, we are all into marketing, right? And we need more visibility for our business. And I strongly believe that it is possible to go app strongly. I have explored this one, and I keep on exploring all the new apps, and it is the best app to gain the followers, right? So whenever you post something about your business, more people should see that post, right? So it is not just simply sharing our views, and that are many apps we can share our views also, but my main motto is to gain more visibility for my business, my services, right? So Ku app is one of the best app. Try to do that one. And when you see the insights, right? So this is in Telugu, means Friday I have downloaded on Friday. See, here you can see Friday, last Friday I have downloaded this app, and Saturday I gained 27 followers, Sunday 38 followers, Monday 75 followers, Tuesday 273 followers, Wednesday 425 followers, Thursday, just before logging into your class, I just took the screenshot, 427 followers. And you can take the insights of weekly insights and monthly insights also you will get, right? And how many posts per day, right? Friday I didn't posted anything, Saturday one post, and second post on Sunday, and Monday 5 posts. By Monday I posted 5 posts, and by Tuesday I posted 6 posts, and by Wednesday total 8 posts, by today 10 posts. Okay, so for 10 posts I gained 427 followers. Guys, it is really very good app. Try to install this one, Geeta and Sumati. I don't know about Kiran and Suchi. I don't know if it is available in Muscat, Dubai or not, but try to explore before someone else tells about this app.
I think it is not available in Muscat because I'm not getting OTP, even though it took my number.
Oh, you already tried. Okay, fine, fine. So Sumati, anyone, she is coming back to India, she can do that. So okay, whatever it may, whether you can download this app or not, that is a different thing. The thing is, before it is a new thing. Before someone else tells about this app, you people should know about this one. So that is the reason I explained about this app today, right?